don't complain if you already bought it, okay? It's annoying when that happens. I'm just trying to help out some people, you know. I'm free to change my prices whenever I want, so, you know, it's going to be going back up soon, so chill out on that. But anyways, guys, let me show you what I was going to show you here. So they just added a YouTube editor here, and I'm just on this racing channel. I've only made one video on it. I used to have a racing channel, and so I'm just trying to get back into that because I like when people watch me race and stuff. So you guys can check it out if you want. You're probably going to get really bored watching it, but unless you like racing, of course. But anyway, so I just have one video up. And so the weird thing is on my Buy 9 to 5 channel, I don't have the studio editor. So as you can see right here, I don't have the beta studio editor. So that's why I'm doing this new channel. So this new channel I have, if you click up here, let me fix this real quick. Yeah, a little bit lower. Alright, so as you can see here, if you click YouTube Studio Beta, which my Buy 9 to 5 doesn't have that, but this one does. And then you go into videos right here. And then click it. And then go to editor right here. You now have a video editor, guys. You have a freaking video editor where you can cut things out. So this is helpful for, first of all, you know, if you're doing something like I've been teaching you guys in the blueprint, and you want to take out a watermark at the beginning of the video, or an intro at the beginning of the video, an outro at the end of the video. Very easy to do now. Okay, so all you would do here is click here, click trim, and then you can do that right there. And then split, and that will allow you to cut out whatever you want. So let me go through that one more time. So say like this area right here you want to cut out, okay, for some reason, like the caution or something, right? So right here. So if what you would do is you just click trim and then split, okay? So that's going to split it, and that will allow you then to drag, and the dark area is the part that's going to go out. So all you do is literally do that right there. And then you can click this X, and I'm not going to do that because I don't want to delete it. But you just click that X right there, and then that portion of the video is gone, which is really, really cool. And then if you want to do another one, you just go somewhere else in the timeline. So say you want to cut this right here out. Then all you would do is, again, click split and then drag. Drag the blue part. And then look, so now we have, you know, this part's good, this part's cut out, this part's good, this part's cut out. And so that's really helpful, especially for me, like in my racing videos. Sometimes there's cautions that take 5 minutes or something. And in an actual editor, sometimes it's kind of annoying to take out. But you can quickly cut out the cautions right here, which is really, really convenient. And then you can do the same thing here. So if you wanted to cut out like the intro, you just go to the very beginning. Oh yeah, so you can just drag too. So out here, if you want to cut out the intro, cut out the outro, something like that. There you go. So now you cut out the intro, you cut out 2 different spots inside the video, and you cut out the end, which is really, really cool, guys. So that's really all there is to the editor. It's kind of more of a just cut and paste. It's kind of more of a, you know, just cut parts out of the timeline. So it's helpful for you guys, especially if you want to, you know, cut out some parts of, first of all, you know, like I teach in my masterclass, sometimes to get past the duplication, content ID, bot, match, you're going to need to shorten the video, and sometimes that's enough. In the advanced masterclass, I teach you guys all the different ways that you're going to be able to get through the content ID and duplication ID bot matches, which if you don't know what that is, that's why you should get the first course first, because I explain what all that stuff is. But anyways, if you only can buy one course, I would say you can probably get through with the masterclass if you know what you're, you know, if you're comfortable with computers, comfortable with YouTube, stuff like that. You could probably get by just getting the masterclass, but I would recommend getting both in order so that you know everything that I'm teaching, because it kind of all goes together. But as far as this timeline, it's kind of more just cutting stuff out of the beginning, cutting stuff out of the end. So it's going to help you guys out if you just want to cut out one part of a video, maybe a montage or something like that, or to, you know, shorten the video length. That's going to help you out there, or cutting out an intro, cutting out an outro, things like that. That's going to help you guys out. And then in the masterclass, what else I teach, because this doesn't allow you to put pictures in it, or watermarks or music, things that you're going to need to get past the content ID matches. So that's where my masterclass will teach you a special video software that I use, and it's completely free to use as well. And it will allow you to do every one of these things, as well as add music in there, cover up a watermark with your own watermark, all kinds of things like that. Add an intro, add an outro, so you can make your own. You can cut out their intro and outro, add your own, things like that. So that's what my masterclass teaches you how to do for free. The software I teach is free. But this is helpful just if you want to cut some things out. But this is just something I wanted to show you guys. I wasn't sure if you guys knew about this yet. I don't think a lot of people know about it yet. So I thought that would be cool to show you guys. So hopefully this helps you out, and let me know what you guys are going to be using this for, if this was helpful for you, if you knew about it, if you didn't know about it. And then as always, let me know what else you guys would like to learn. I always like teaching you guys whatever you want to know. So